Good day everyone, it's Mr. Ekex again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can acquire a business loan from any microfinance bank in Nigeria. Yes, you can acquire a business loan in Nigeria without collateral from any microfinance bank. Courtesy today, we are going to emphasize on Chiku Microfinance Bank. Please do well, stay here. I will guide you through on how you can get this loan. For those of you who are looking for opportunity like this, just sit down and watch till the end. The requirements for this loan is: 1, you must have a business you are doing. Yes, very, very important. You must have an existing business, a physical business, which everyone can see. The second one, you must have a current account. 1, with the bank you are getting the loan, which is the microfinance bank, and 2, with another existing commercial bank or microfinance bank. The third thing you need to have is 2 guarantors, which can be any of your relatives, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, or even your parents. They can be your guarantor, and they must have a current account and other necessary documents like NIN, BVN, NEPA bill, and passport. You don't need any collateral. Yes. So let me start with the step 1. Step 1 goes like this. 1, walk into any microfinance bank in Nigeria. When you walk in, demand the business loan application form. They will give it to you. If you don't have any bank, an account with that microfinance bank, they will give you a form you fill and open an account with them, because that's where they are going to disembox the loan. Yes, you have to have an account with that microfinance bank. Now, after getting the form, you go home and fill it up. The form is going to come with few guarantors form, which are going to agree to your guarantors so that they can fill. The step 2 is: how can I get guarantor? Like I already emphasized, guarantor can be anybody which is close to you. So give it to them, and they must have a current account. Give it to them. After them filling it, you get 1 check each from them, because the reason why bank demand this check is if the person defaults in the loan, they can easily write, and the check is an open check. You just sign on the check, the guarantor sign, front and 2 signatures at the back, 1 at the front, and give you the check, so that in case the person that collected this loan defaults on the loan, they can easily go and write down the amount the person is owing and deduct it from the guarantor's account without any issue, because it's an open check. It's the person now you need to go going back to the microfinance bank and submitting the form which you have filled with the guarantor's form, and the form which states that this social amount will be deducted from your account at the end of every month, depending on the time range which is stipulated, which you agreed with the bank. In submitting this form, you must also submit it with 12 checks. As the person that is collecting this loan, you submit it with 12 checks, which represents, maybe you are collecting the check for 1 year, is 12 months, which is one check for each month. In case you default for each month, they can write this open check, can be filled up and deducted from any account you have, because of the BVN which is already on that form you are filling. They can deduct it from your account. So any month you default, they have a check that represents each month. They can take it at any time. You can take money from your account at any time if you default. So that's why if you are taking the loan for 12 months, it's 12 checks. If you are taking it for 2 years, it's 24 checks. If you are taking it up, depending on the number of months and years you are taking it for, it will now show the amount of checks you are going to get. You are going to submit to them. Then, after you submitting to them, this microfinance bank, the third thing they are going to do is to come and inspect your business premises. whether it's this valuation it reaches to the amount that you are emphasizing on taking. So this business premises is to be inspected by the risk management team of the bank to assess whether the loan will be given to you or not. After the inspection of business premises, after some time, if the bank reaches an agreement to offer you the loan will be disbursed to your microfinance bank. They want the own into that account. Then you can use the money to do whatever business you feel like. That's how you can get a loan from a microfinance bank in Nigeria. Easy and fast. So don't wait and feel like maybe you can't easily get a loan. Yes, you can get a loan without collateral. You don't need to have a land. You don't need to have a building to get a loan from all these microfinance banks. Some also, what they do is they tell you that you need to bank with them for some time before they start offering loan to you. Some of these microfinance banks do that. But if you want to get a loan, like I emphasize, this is in respect to Chikun Microfinance Bank. That's their own procedure, and that's the way I've checked with other microfinance banks. That's how most of them do follow the due process to get a loan from them. And some also do tell you to bank with them for a while before they can be able to offer you the loan. So I hope this helps somebody out there. And do share, comment, and leave a like on this page. Follow me on my Instagram, Mr. Ekex, and do follow me on Facebook, Mr. Ekex too, on my page. More of these videos will be coming out on how you can access loan, or those of us who are looking for money to start up their farm. You can easily get this loan from microfinance. Although I'll be coming up with some other places you can acquire loan, but for this one, do share and enjoy. Walk into any microfinance bank today and see whether they can offer you again. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. I love you all. Peace.